So we're ready to cast off our lovely piece of twisty turny brioche here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast off in the contrast colour to make a nice clear edge to my work. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just knitting a row here, and I'm knitting together all of the brioche knit stitches, and I'm knitting together the slip stitch. So I'm just knitting every stitch along here. So every stitch in effect has become replaced with one single stitch in contrast colour. Oh look, we've got a little yarn split there. Sort that out as we go. There we are. And right on to the end. Snug up those yarns. So that gives us a nice neat edge at the moment, with replacing all of the brioche stitches with single stitches in the contrast colour. I'm going to turn it round and we're going to cast off knitwise on the way back. And this is my favourite stretchy cast off. This of course will work for any garment that you're casting off. This isn't peculiar to brioche, but this works really nicely for the wrist warmers that we've been doing, because you don't want them too tightly cast off because they can get quite tight around your fingers. So we knit the first 2 stitches as usual, and then we're going to slide our left hand needle back in and knit those 2 together. And that's all we're doing, but it adds the extra thread to the end of the cast off, and that makes quite a big difference to how stretchy the cast off is. So each time we're just working a stitch, sliding our left hand needle back in and working the 2 stitches together. If I do that just a wee bit more, and then you can see that the cast off that I'm leaving behind is nice and neat. Let's look at that from the front. It's a nice little neat cast off there, and it's actually quite stretchy. Certainly more stretchy than a regular cast off, and that'll work lovely and snug for your gloves.